We will talk in this video about bruxism and how to stop grinding teeth and jaw clenching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. Bruxism or teeth grinding is one of most damaging forms of dental disorders. This condition is usually difficult to detect in the early stages as the patient is completely oblivious of this habit. It leads to clenching and grinding of the teeth along with extreme jaw movements. You can suffer facial pain due to the clenching, clamping the top and bottom teeth together. This stressful act puts pressure on the muscles, tissues and the areas around the jaw. It can lead to serious problems like jaw joint disorders, jaw pain, headaches, earaches, damaged teeth and many others. This continuous form of grinding damages the teeth completely. This condition is very common among children, but it is not only restricted to them. It is a very common problem among people with fibromyalgia syndrome. The teeth clenching and teeth grinding may lead to temporomandibular joint dysfunction. How to stop grinding teeth and jaw clenching. 7 home remedies for grinding. 1. Before retiring to bed you can chew on an apple, cauliflower or carrot. This will calm your overactive mouth and prevent grinding. 2. To relax your jaw muscles use a warm washcloth around the sides of your face. Continue doing this for some time. This will relax the clenched muscles that cause head pain. Do it before bedtime to benefit more. 3. Be relaxed and avoid stress by taking warm baths and massages. Massage your neck muscles, shoulders and face to relax peacefully. Stress-relieving exercises should help you unwind. Squeeze a tennis ball, it may come in handy to get rid of the stress. 4. Sleeping on your side or your stomach may increase your chances of bruxism. The best position to sleep is on your back to reduce the stress. 5. Use contoured pillow if you can't sleep on your back. Place the contoured pillow under your face and the ordinary pillow between your arms. Sleeping in this position reduces the strain on your jaw and neck and prevents you from rolling over onto your face. 6. Avoid consumption of alcohol as it inadvertently affects your sleep and increases the movement of your jaw, which causes clenching. Cut down on caffeine and carbohydrates like candy and pastries. 7. Try acupressure, it may help you relax for a good night's sleep, thus avoiding any incidents of teeth clenching or grinding. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.